Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about Maya interface. So let's get started. I'll start with going through the main menu. File, Edit, Create, etc. A part of this main menu is always there from File until Windows. The second part is a type of custom menu, can be changed by selecting different modules here. So if I click on this pull down menu, I can change this to rigging. It changes accordingly. Animation again. So coming back to modeling. So we are seeing what we saw in the beginning. The next bar within the user interface is showing some little icons. They are divided into different parts. Within those little bars, we can click on them to hide or show, but what they represent is some of the menu icons or menu commands. They can be accessed through the menu. For example, this is new open save. If I come here, file, new scene, open scene, save scene. So, but it's much easier to see them and click on them and much faster. On the far right side, there are five indeed toggle boxes. The first one is channel or layer editor. Nothing is there yet because within the main view nothing is there, so we haven't done anything. We can't see anything here, but later when we start creating or modeling or doing animation, we can come here and see or do lots of changes. There are some others like tool setting or just coming to modeling toolkit, so they can be accessed by clicking on the tabs here as well. Same. Modeling toolkit is a type of customized icons or commands. They are there again. So there is mesh and there is mesh. The first title is combine. If I come here, I see combine. So, but again, it's very easier to use them here. Then I will talk about the next bar, which is Toolbox. And indeed, one of the most important bars in the Maya user interface. The first one is showing how to select objects, perhaps in two different ways. But coming to the most important ones here, move, rotate, scale. Nothing happening again because nothing is within the scene. But we can move objects, rotate them, or scale them. And even we can customize the main view. If I click on this icon, so I see 4 different panes and 4 different titles like persp, which is perspective, the default view, top, front, side. That means we are looking through the eyes of different cameras from the top, from the front, or from the side view. So just getting back to perspective again. Then I will talk about these sliders. The first one and the second one, time slider and range slider. If we want to do any type of animation or movement within the scene, we have to use them. And they're very easy to use, showing different numbers, so different frames they will be later, how to control them, navigate around, play, so doing different things. Then there is command line, divided into 2 parts. The first one, mail. It allows you to do scripting in 2 different languages. Mail is Maya embedded language. I click on that, it's Python again, so There are two different languages we can type scripts here, and there is another part which is helping us to, or just following what we do, sometimes giving us errors or hints what to do or what not to do. If I come here and I want to do something, apply color, see, just showing something. So what happened in the scene or what that command did. Finally, there is helpline. And if I hover the mouse here, see, it changes. So again, as it says, helping us, just telling us what this icon or what this command will do, and sometimes helping us what we need in order to run a command. So it's very, very helpful. And this is the main view. There is again another submenu and some icons, little icons, again divided into different parts. Mainly these things just controlling how we see things here. And finally, I want to speak about this one, Workspace. And the default one is Maya Classic. That means how we see Maya interface. If we want to do different things, might be a good idea to have different bars available or unavailable. If I come and change it to sculpting, that means I want to do sculpting, so it changes. So if I want to do a sculpting, I don't need to use time slider and range slider, which used to be here. So I'm changing it to Maya Classic. So that's it, guys, and thank you for your time.